Good morning, you guys. I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you for everyone who turned in week 6, day 1's assignment. If you have not yet checked that out and turned that in to me, make sure you are checking that out. I am updating Progress Book daily, so please make sure you are checking for Progress Book for any missing assignments. Remember that I do make some mistakes here and there, so if you think that something is an error or you think that you actually did an assignment when it says missing, please just let me know and I will look into it further and get back with you. Just email me. I'm available at all times. Okay, so let's go through today's assignment, week 6, day 2. For today's assignment, you will be completing a web quest for dosomething.org. You'll be choosing 3 campaigns to evaluate and analyze. And so let's look at the Google Doc for today. All right, so for our web quest, we are going to be following these 4 steps, and I will be doing this with you so that you know kind of what you need to be seeing. So for our first step, we are going to be clicking on the link for dosomething.org. And so let's click on that here. Then we'll kind of go back and forth between the doc to get our instructions here. Okay, so this is the screen that should pop up when you get to dosomething.org. Let's look at step 2. Once you are on the website, click on the Causes dropdown near the top left screen. Okay, and top left, there we go, here's Causes. Okay, so we'll click on that, and what's our step 3? There is an option to see all campaigns at the bottom of the dropdown. Click on this. Okay, so Causes, let's see all campaigns. Awesome. So then you should see a screen that looks similar to mine. And then for step 4, this will bring you to a page with several different campaigns. Scroll through the campaigns and pick 3 that interest you and complete the chart below. So let's look here. Some of the campaigns require for you to create an account, take a quiz, or apply for a scholarship. You do not have to do any of these. So if you choose a campaign that requires you to create an account, take a quiz, or apply for a scholarship, you don't have to do that one. You don't have to create an account. If you find yourself on one of these campaigns, just choose a different one. Okay, so let's look here. So we are going to be looking at the name of the campaign, so you will be choosing 3. You're going to be locating the problem. Remember that every public service announcement has got a problem that they would like to have solved. So you will identify the problem. And why is this an important issue, and why does it interest you? So think about why this is important and how it interests you. So that's 2 questions. So I expect 2 answers for that. How did the campaign make a difference? So what is the solution? What are they doing to fix the problem? Okay. So, and I do have an example here at the bottom of your Google Doc of what I'm looking for. So the campaign that I chose is I Am Woman, Hear Me Score. So let's look at this one, and we will actually look at it together. Okay, so let's see here. It looks like there are quite a bit here. So it might be on a separate page. Let's see here. I Am Woman, Hear Me Score. Okay, so here's the one that I chose for our model for today. So they have problem and solution here for you, so make sure that you are looking those up and entering those in. So let's look here. Oh, wrong page. I'm so sorry. Here we go. So our campaign title is I Am Woman, Hear Me Score. The problem is and make sure that you are putting this in your own words. Please do not copy and paste. That is considered plagiarism, and you will receive a 0 for the assignment if you copy and paste. So I will reiterate that at the very end of the video as well. Please make sure you are putting the problem and solution in your own words. Okay. The U.S. women's national soccer team is being paid less than their male counterparts simply because they are women. So that is the problem here. Women are getting paid less than men. Why is this an issue or why is this an important issue, and why does it interest you? See how this one's a little bit longer because it has 2 questions to answer. The U.S. women's national soccer team has won 3 World Cup titles, 4 Olympic gold medals, and generates more money than the U.S. men's national soccer team. Yet they make less money than them. This interests me and is important because I'm a woman who has played soccer in the past, like in elementary school, and now coaches the sport. Miss DeBella coaches, so I kind of thought I'd added that in there. Gender pay gap is a very real issue, and this organization is using their voice to advocate for all women being paid less than men. Okay, so that is why this issue is important and why it interests me. Make sure that you're also looking at the solution. The solution is mentioned right on DoSomething.org, but please make sure that you are not copying and pasting, that you are putting this into your own words. So the solution would be to use social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I would even almost debate on putting Snapchat in there, to reach out to the U.S. Soccer Federation and demand equal pay for all athletes of all genders. Okay, so that would be a solution to our problem of getting paid less. So there's our example for today. You will be repeating this process for 3 campaigns of your choosing on DoSomething.org. There are plenty upon plenty of campaigns for you to choose from. Just choose 3. All right, and please remember to not just copy and paste. Put them directly into your own words, because it is plagiarism if you do not. So I will be checking for this to make sure that you are putting this into your own words and that you are fully answering all questions. All right, and that is your assignment for today. If you have any other questions for me, please make sure that you are emailing me, and I will answer remind messages, private comments, all of the above. If you have any questions, make sure you are reaching out and we can schedule either a Google Hangout or I can try and answer your questions via email. Alrighty, guys, have a wonderful day, and that is all I've got for you. So enjoy, and I hope that you guys will enjoy this assignment as much as I did creating it. Have a wonderful day.